That makes me happy inside. I'm not gonna lie, Katie.
Hey guys, guess where we're at?
Yeah, that was cute.
Oh my house. We're at Sue's house.
Look at the bird crap on Gertrude's leg.
Yeah, I'm gonna. These are Kim's gay birds that won't shut up.
He's gonna come off, friend.
What are you yelling about?
Usually
They are nuts.
I'm gonna get this one around.
Alex, it wasn't even funny. There was nothing funny about that.
Now what you're turning?
Here, come here, bird. Come here. Come here. It's okay.
Careful, you're not poop on you.
Nuts.
Come here, donut. Come on, donut.
Good girl.
Hey, crazy bird. He's a little nuts. No, how cute for someone. I really don't know what we're doing here. No, don't put him up yet. Here, put him on my finger. Put him on my. Come here, get on my finger. I'm like a miracle man. I'm like a bird man.
Don't get married to Poppins.
See the birds popping.
I thought it was a way.
No.
Poppins away.
Well, Sue's not in here, and we'll film later because we're having a picture day today. I just wanted you to see their crazy birds. Okay, bye.